Hello, I'm Zhang Fangwei from Beijing University of Posts and Telecommunications. Welcome to our MOOC, China's New Quality Productive Forces. In the daily lives of Chinese people, things that once seemed incredible have now become commonplace. With a simple tap on your phone, you can book a ride-hailing car that arrives within minutes. Even when living far from home, you can handle hometown affairs through a single app. You must be wondering, what has made all this possible? Behind it lies an invisible yet powerful network. This is our topic for today, new intelligent connectivity. If new quality productive forces are the new engine driving China's economic and social development, the new intelligent connectivity is the neural network of this engine. It is much more than what we traditionally understand as fast internet speeds. Instead, it's a cutting-edge digital infrastructure built on technologies like 5G, 6G, the Internet of Things, the industrial internet, and the satellite internet. This infrastructure enables comprehensive sensing, reliable connectivity, real-time collaboration, and intelligent decision-making across all domains. Today, through a few key cases, we'll take a closer look at how this intelligent neural network is constructed and how it is profoundly transforming our lives. We've all likely had this experience. To get one thing done, we had to shuttle back and forth between several departments and repeatedly fill out the same information. To solve this long-standing issue, the Chinese government launched a massive project, promoting establishment of an integrated online platform for government services nationwide. This platform acts like a national data interchange hub, connecting upward to relevant departments of the State Council and downward to 31 provinces, autonomous regions, municipalities, and the Xinjiang Protection and Construction Corps. It has established several national-level fundamental databases covering areas such as population, legal entities, natural resources, and electronic licenses. With this platform, the concept of government online-offline has become a reality. The platform aggregates massive government data resources, supporting hundreds of billions of data queries and shares each year. It enables over 400 government service items to be handled across provinces and has more than 1 billion real-name registered users. Whether it's new parents needing to process tedious paperwork for their newborn, an entrepreneur hoping to register a company quickly, or a senior citizen wanting to check their social security information conveniently, countless procedures that were once cumbersome have now become simple and efficient. The establishment of this platform signifies the governance philosophy of letting data run on people's behalf. It makes clear that the original purpose of technology is not to showcase digital power, but to respond to the most basic needs of the people. While the National Integrated Government Service Platform solves the challenges of handling cross-regional administration services, then in cities, New intelligent connectivity is making our daily environment safer, more efficient, and more comfortable. Let's step into Hangzhou and experience a city that can think. In 2016, Hangzhou's city brain system kicked off with its first mission, tackling traffic congestion, starting with trials on certain congested intersections. It then expanded citywide, analyzing real-time traffic flows to intelligently optimize the management of 1,300 intersections and connect 4,500 traffic monitoring video cameras. Since then, Hangzhou's traffic conditions have seen remarkable improvement, with its congestion ranking dropping significantly. Peak hour driving speeds have increased by 15%, greatly enhancing travel efficiency for residents and noticeably accelerating the pace of the city's operations. What's more, emergency vehicles like ambulances and fire trucks benefit from a one-click escort system. It optimizes the vehicle route in real time and intelligently adjusts traffic signals according to the vehicle's location, reducing their average arrival time at the scene by 50%. But Hangzhou's ambitions go far beyond the traffic. The city brain system has evolved into a comprehensive urban management system, leveraging artificial intelligence, big data, and cloud computing to enhance efficiency across multiple sectors. For example, a treatment before payment model in hospitals eliminates the hassle of waiting in line to pay. Patients can go directly for examinations, lab tests, prescriptions, and treatments. Any out-of-pocket expenses are temporarily recorded, and a one-time payment can be completed after the visit via mobile phone or self-service kiosks. Ms. Li, a 34-year-old Hangzhou resident, described her experience with the healthcare system. I used to dread hospital visits because of the long lines. Now, I can see a doctor, get treated, and pay later through my phone. It's a huge relief, especially with young kids. Behind this are companies pioneering in vision and artificial intelligence, whose precise algorithms transform cameras and other IoT devices from passive recorders into active smart terminals that can recognize, interpret, and analyze in real time. This is what we often refer to as AIoT, the artificial intelligence of things. In the subway stations of many Chinese cities, the application of AI-driven computer vision is transforming the way we commute. By deploying precise facial recognition algorithms at the turnstiles, face swiping entry has become possible. Compared to traditional card swiping or QR code scanning, this allows more than 30 people per minute to pass through each lane, significantly easing rush hour crowds. At the same time, these smart eyes can quickly identify lost seniors or children in crowded areas and notify staff immediately. In many lights-out warehouses, you can see almost no people. Hundreds of autonomous mobile robots operate seamlessly under an intelligent IoT system, transporting and sorting packages with precision. Leveraging cutting-edge AI algorithms, the robot's eyes can accurately recognize shelves and goods while autonomously planning the optimal routes. This has increased the warehouse sorting efficiency by 3 to 4 times and reduced labor costs by about 50%. This is a vivid illustration of how new intelligent connectivity empowers the real economy and enhances productivity. From Hangzhou's city brand system to the application of AIoT technologies in public transit systems, we see that new intelligent connectivity is not just about connection, but about connectivity plus intelligence. It enables cities to evolve from physical spaces made of steel and concrete into living organisms capable of self-regulation and continuous optimization. Beyond efficient governance and convenient living, the benefits of new intelligent connectivity also lie in tackling extreme challenges and at critical moments, buying precious time for lives. China's earthquake early warning network is the largest in the world. It consists of nearly 16,000 monitoring stations across the country. It can detect an earthquake with a magnitude of 2.5 or above in most parts of the country. In the eastern regions, it can detect any earthquake with a magnitude of 2 or above. In densely populated areas like the capital circle and the Yangtze River Delta, any earthquake with a magnitude of 1 or above will be detected. But to ensure that early warning messages can outrun destructive seismic waves, a monitoring network alone is not enough. Ultra-fast communication is also essential. 5G's millisecond-level latency provides the technological backbone for delivering warnings within seconds. Here, the latency of the communication network becomes a key factor that determines life and death. With a 5G network, warning information can be pushed instantly to millions of households via mobile phones, televisions, and community broadcasts, tens of times faster than traditional networks, buying people more precious time to seek safety. In September 2022, a 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck Luding County in Sichuan. The early warning network issued an alert just 5 seconds after the quake, providing a 7-second warning for the nearby Kangding, a 20-second warning for Ya'an, and a valuable 50-second warning for the more distant Chengdu. That crucial minute was enough for people to evacuate from high-rise buildings to safe areas, for high-speed trains to apply emergency brakes, and for gas pipelines to shut down automatically. The earthquake early warning system, empowered by 5G and in the future 6G, perfectly illustrates the real-time collaboration capability of new intelligent connectivity. It proves that when connectivity reaches ultra-short latency and high reliability, it's no longer merely an information tool, but a guardian that can save lives. Today, through several case studies, we have explored the vast landscape of new intelligent connectivity, from the integrated online platform for government services nationwide that links the country's digital resources, to Hangzhou's city brand system, and the many powerful AIoT applications that empower cities with intelligence, and even to the earthquake early warning network that races against death. We see that the new intelligent connectivity is acting like a huge, vibrant neural network, reshaping modes of governance, production methods, and everyday life from the macro to the micro level. Of course, this is just the beginning. The stories we've explored today are only the opening lines of a much grander chapter. As technologies like 6G and the satellite internet weave a seamless web linking the sky, land, and the sea, we are not merely building a faster internet. We are crafting the very blueprint for a future where the physical and the digital worlds merge. Picture a world that anticipates our needs, protects us from danger before it strikes, and manages our resources with intelligence that goes beyond what we can imagine today. This isn't science fiction. It is the promise of new quality productive forces built upon the foundation of intelligent connectivity. New intelligent connectivity is the heartbeat of China's new quality productive forces. In our upcoming lectures, we will continue to explore how, on top of this powerful neural network, we can foster smarter manufacturing, more advanced materials, greener energy, and broader horizons for the future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture.